So this is a wonderful question that I want us to answer together. Let's see how we can go about this particular question. Given the figure below, so we are given this particular circuit diagram. Then the first question here, we are told to say, calculate the total resistance in the circuit. So we want to calculate the total resistance that is in this given circuit diagram. How then do we calculate the total resistance? First of all, you need to understand that these two resistors, have you seen the way they are? These two are connected in series. So how do we find the total resistance when we are dealing with resistors that are in series? We need to add. So when we add 3 plus 3, the total that is here is 6 ohms. So the total is what? 6 ohms between these two. Then here again, these are in series. We need to add 3 plus 3, that is 6. So total is 6 ohms. So we are now having two resistors now that are in parallel. How then do we calculate the total resistance when we are dealing with the resistors that are in parallel? So when you've got two resistors, it's something that is so easy. What you just need to do, we get to use this particular formula. Total resistance is equal to resistor 1 multiplied by resistor 2, where we get to say resistor 1 plus resistor 2. So this is a particular formula we get to use when we are dealing with the resistors that are connected in parallel. This is a particular formula you need to know. So either this one or that one can be resistor 1 or 2. So what we need to do, I'm going to say total resistance is now equal to, I guess you're able to see what is happening here. So I'm going to say total resistance is equal to, what is resistor 1 here? I can see 6 multiplied by resistor 2. I also have a 6 there. Put a 6 there. Then I say over. Then resistor 1, I say 6 plus what? Plus 6. So this is what I need to do. Where I'm going to say this is now equal to, what is 6 times 6? That is what? That is 36. Over. What is 6 plus 6? That is what? 12. So meaning that total resistance in the circuit is equal to, where we say 36 divided 12, the answer we get is 3. So is 3 what? 3 ohms. This is the answer. This is the total resistance that is in this particular circuit. Resistance is the opposition. So this is what you need to know and understand. Sometimes they may even tell you to say state Ohm's law. So you need to understand that Ohm's law states that the current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference. So you need to understand those simple basics. So we are done with the total resistance. Sometimes they can even put another resistor here. So you need to know how to go about all these questions. I'm just here to make them simple so that if you face such a question in an exam, you are going to be able to answer it and know how to go about it. Let us proceed and go to the next question. Current flowing through the circuit. So I want to calculate the current that is in the circuit. There is a formula you need to know. That is voltage is equal to current times what? Resistance. This is a formula that most of you know. Where if you divide by R there, you also divide by R there. This and this will be cancelled. You are going to have current is equal to voltage over what? Resistance. So this is a particular formula that we are going to use. I guess you are able to see how I'm answering out these particular questions. It is as simple as this, where now we get to substitute. What is our voltage there? Voltage, we are given 6, so the voltage is 6. So I'm going to say current is equal to, I say 6 over what? What is the resistance? 3. So if I divide here, the answer I'm going to get is 2 amps or amperes. So this is my answer. As simple as that. So this is the current that is flowing in this particular circuit diagram. So we may find a lot of questions falling under this part. So this is more like a foundational concept that you need to get. Questions get to come complex, different questions under this part can come in an exam. So I just want you to know how I'm answering out these particular questions. We now go to this last question that is here. Power developed. What is the formula for power? You just say power is equal to what? Power is equal to voltage times current. So what is voltage? 6. What is current? 2. Have you seen 2? When you multiply there, you get 12 watts. So 12 watts. So this is the power. So 12 watt, 12 watts. This is how you need to be answering out questions that do come in an exam. As simple as this. Have you seen me struggle answering out these questions? No. So this is how you are supposed to be answering them out. If you are here, you want tuitions, I'm here to help you with your tuitions. This is your brother and friend Harrison J. Zuru Tutor. So you can follow me on all social media platforms. I'm very active on Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. So you can follow me on these platforms. I'm very active on this. And like and comment. So if you want tuitions, I'm going to help you at an affordable fee. This is my WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp me on this particular number. So I'm going to help you at an affordable fee. Just a simple amount that I'm going to charge you, then I help you. So this is it, and this is my number. You can get this number. Kindly note that every service that we get to offer gets to be done at an affordable fee so that we continue learning as an academy. Thank you so much for supporting. Thank you so much for liking, following us, and subscribing, sharing our videos with your friends. Thank you so much. Your support is highly appreciated. Make sure you like and comment. Thank you so much.